Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. Ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks guys. Now let's begin. Open your Instagram app and then click on that icon on the bottom right corner, your profile icon. Then click on those three lines on the top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down and click on account privacy. As you can see, the private account is closed. Now just click on that to open it. Then switch to private. And your Instagram account will be made private. Guys, that's how to make Instagram account private. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.